Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for tuning in for another video. So let's go ahead and jump into this beautiful wig. This wig comes with 2 combs on the side, 1 comb on the nape and 1 comb at the temple. I'm going to go ahead and cut the lace off of the wig, of course. I didn't realize my camera was out of focus on this clip. Sorry guys, it'll focus in just a second. So I did over bleach my frontal by accident. I don't know how I did it, but I'm going to show you guys how I correct that issue. Let me say this, I had no idea how full this wig was until I put it on. Like, do you just see how it flips over and has so much body? I had no idea. Just an FYI, I did not do any plucking to the hairline. I did not cut any layers in this hair. This hair came exactly like this. By the way, this hair is from HairSpells.com. This is a lace frontal wig with 180% density. It's straight and the hair color is a natural black and the hair length is a 20 inch. Because this hair is straight, I was really skeptical on if the curls were going to last, and I will say the curls did last a couple of days. If you like the flip over style or the big voluminous bang, then you will love this wig. You don't have to do any type of layering to this wig. This is the wig, sis. So here's the part where I show you guys how to fix the over processed frontal. I'm just going to use a little bit of black temporary hairspray and I'm going to put it on the back of my comb and try my best not to get it on the lace. So that's how I pretty much fix that problem. Now, I do prefer to do baby hairs on my units just because it helps hide the lace, which I'm always here for. This edge brush, whatever you want to call it, I got from Target for like $2.99. It has a brush at the end and it has like a small comb on the opposite end. I now prefer this over a toothbrush. So I'm going to go in with a slick stick, wax stick, whatever you want to call it. I got mine from my local beauty supply store and I'm just going to put that on my hair just to kind of sleek it down a little bit more, get it to look a little bit more flatter. Make sure you apply some heat because it just helps make it look a whole lot better. So to make the lace look even more invisible, I'm going to tint the lace. Now, I like to tint my lace using foundation powder, and that is it. I have to admit, this wig looks really, really good. Like, the simple fact that only thing I did was bleach the knots, and that is it, and this wig looks this good. This is a yes for me. So I just want to show you guys, just, oh my God, look at that. Let me show you again just in case you missed it. This is nice. But anyways, this is just a clip of me combing out my hair, just showing you guys how the curls bounce right back, how the curls are still holding, how the hair is still full of volume. And this is the look, girl. If you love it, if you're here for it, all purchasing information will be below. Thanks for watching, guys. Mwah.